birds out for our bird of the day today. And they are movie stars from our, well, story stars from our 12 Days of Christmas. Remember, we had 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. So, you guys should know this answer now. We have 3. What did true love give to me on the 3rd day of Christmas? 3, not 3 turtle doves, 3 French hens. What did we decide that these guys would sound like? Hens or bok, bok, bok? Chickens. Let's see. Can you guys make that sound? Bok, 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 bok. Oh, silly chickens. All right. Okay, everybody listen up. I'm going to tell you something about these French hens that is going to blow your mind. First of all, do you know, I'm going to tell you 2 things that are going to blow your minds. Did you know that there are more chickens on Earth than there are people? Ah, what? I know. It's a funny fact about chickens and hens. There are more of them than there are of us, so don't ever make the French hens upset. Just a funny joke. Okay, this fact, though, is going to be really hard to believe. Do you know that French hens have cousins? Kind of like you guys might have cousins. Fisher, do you know who their cousins are? They have cousins called Tyrannosaurus Rex.
What?
I'm not kidding you. These guys are related to dinosaurs. Is that the craziest thing you've... Do they look like a dinosaur? They don't look like dinosaurs, but their bones inside look like a lot of the bones that a lot of dinosaurs have. Is that crazy? Roar! Nah, they're just chickens. Don't be chicken. They're French hens. Anyway, we do have a coloring page. You guys can color. And so let me show you where these special Christmas birds are going to be today. I've got my Christmas box over here. Candace, sit up. This is my Christmas bird box, and look what's inside. Oh, you guys stay on your line so everyone can see. I have my 3 French hens, my 2 turtle doves, and my partridge in a pear tree in my special Christmas box. Now, there's 4 other birds in there that we will learn about tomorrow. I wonder if you could guess what their names